What's going on, yo? This is Simple Fix, man. You know what it is, man. Today is the day, man. I am about to show you guys how to replace AC condenser from a 2006 Pontiac G6, baby. As you guys can see, it's a Pontiac G6, 6-cylinder. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, baby, there we go. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Yep, motherfuckers. Yep. Today is the day, man. See, this is the AC condenser right there. So, to remove the AC condenser, you need to remove this pieces. First, it was right there, so I already take it out. It's out already. This is the AC condenser right there. It only have 2 bolts. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the new one right there. This is the new AC condenser. I have to remove, I think it's only have 1 bolt. This little bolt right here, that's the hole. I need to remove the bolt and take it out. So before you can remove this AC condenser, the only thing you have to do, you need to go underneath of the car. You have to remove. So to be easy for you guys, I think I'm gonna have to remove the front bumper. I have to remove the front bumper, and then I'm gonna be able to remove the AC condenser. So another easy way you can remove the AC condenser, if you remove the AC condenser together with the radiator. But that's a waste of time. I don't want to waste the water, you know what I'm saying? So I think it's better. You see the bolt is right there, so you cannot get to it until you remove the bumper. Or you can remove this black piece right there, but it's not easy to remove. I think it's better for me to remove the old bumper to replace the AC condenser. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All you motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yep, guys. So I think it's gonna be, you know, so it's my family car, but I don't charge them a lot of money. I just charge them $75 to remove the AC condenser, but I'm supposed to charge them at least $150. I'm saying, because so it's a family of mine, so why am I supposed to charge her $150? I'm saying, so I only charge $75 to replace the AC condenser. So this is, stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. I am about to remove the front bumper now, and then this is the part 1, guys. This is the part 1. So to remove the AC condenser, you have to remove the front bumper. You can get to the bowl. See, so if I can remove the bowl like that, but I can't. See, my hand cannot reach there. The only way, you have to remove the front bumper to get to the bowl right there. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, so stay tuned for the part 2. This is part 1. Please, guys, subscribe my channel. So I know a lot of people watching my channel, even thousands of them, they don't even subscribe my channel. I don't know why. I don't know if you guys are lazy or not. Guys, please subscribe the channel. Please, guys, you know I love you guys. Help me grow my channel, guys. Come on, man, motherfuckers, come on. Subscribe and comment below, thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for part 2. This is part 1, motherfuckers. Bye. Subscribe.